Welcome back to the garage. We're out here working on the 76 Nova again. Today we're working on redoing fuel line. Originally in this car, you had this Hardline that kind of sat back here behind the AC compressor and everything. What it would do, it'd snake up along the block here, kind of like that, and then it'd go down there to the fuel pump. As you can see though, so there's my outlet for the fuel pump, there's the Hardline. So the stock location on the fuel pump for the outlet in this aftermarket one don't match up. So originally I just had a piece of hose running back through here, up down that area to the fuel filter here. New fuel filter, by the way. The issue was through vibration, heat, and everything, it was starting to wear out that hose, which you don't want, because then it's just going to spray gasoline all over your engine, which is then going to catch fire, and that's bad times. So we got a roll of new 3/8 hose, or Hardline here. We're going to measure this out a little bit here and make some new Hardline. Okay, so basically what we're going to do here is we're going to try to take this new Hardline and try to mimic the shape here of the old existing Hardline. The other thing I'm going to do too is I got some of these rubber bushing mounts here. Basically this should help stabilize the line in there too, so it doesn't shake and move around or anything. So anyways, we're going to get to bending. A little long, so I'm just going to lap a little bit off the end here. All right, there's a new Hardline. Okay, so now we're also going to put a little flare on the end of these pipes here, just to give the hose something to bite onto. So basically the way it works is you got this piece here, take your flaring tool, slide it over, and then you just start cranking down. Okay, so that last one didn't really quite give me the flare that I was hoping for, so I'm changing fittings on the end of this tool really quick just to see if it gives me a little bit more of a flare. Yeah, there we go. Now we got a big flare there on the end, so when we get our hose slipped over here and we put a clamp on it, it'll have something to bite against. Alright, flip it over and do the other side. Okay, so my idea with the rubber mounts to stabilize the Hardline didn't really work. The bolt holes in them were too small for me to fit bolts into any of the spots on the intake there or the head there, so I skipped that idea, but it's in there. There's no rubber touching anything that's shaking or moving, so we shouldn't have any risk of rubbing anything raw there. You see we got our connection down here, the fuel pump into the Hardline there. Hardline comes up into, again, rubber connection there to fuel filter to carburetor. And as you can see by the state of the fuel filter, we have flow. So it looks like we're good to go, and we're safe-ish. I mean, it's still a 40-year-old car, so, you know, whatever. Anyway, see you next time.